Welcome to Sri Digambar Institute of Technology, Dausa. My name Mr. Hardish Kumar. Today we will discuss about the force on a moving charge. Subject electromagnetic field, branch electrical engineering, topic force on a moving charge. Force on a moving charge. Until now, we were considering only some charges, and we are calculating the force on one charge is due to other. But if there are more than two charges, they we will have to apply the principle of superposition, right? So some magnetic field, uh, considering of the force on a moving charge, magnetic field are cases by electrical current and exert force on electrical current. Electrical current considering electric current consists of moving charge, moving electrical charge. The force on a current wire in fact cases by the force on the moving charges. The charges experience these force whether they are moving in a conductor or not. So this is the force direct into the pages, and this is the direct into the pages. So first of all, this is the force, this is the force, and particular to be and into the pages, and it connected of force and different type of current. So B is the magnetic flux in passes through in the electrical current and exert force on the electrical wire. This is the positive ions as a rod. We force apply in case of the moving in a conductor or not. Suppose there are 3-point charges Q1, Q1, Q2 and Q3, right? Then the force exert on Q1, Q2, Q2 and Q3 we will use notation as force F1. This is the F1, right? And next is the F2, and next 3 is the F3, right? And apply of the positive, this is the force. Then to find the resulting force on Q1, we will apply the principle of superposition. That means this force we calculate F1 plus F2, right? This is the total force F1 plus F2 plus F3. In words, the resultant force on any one charge is a sum of the individual force due to the respectively charges. So if there are charges, then the resultant force on charge due to all charges is force total. This is the F total इक्वल टू कितना हो जाएगा F1 प्लस F2 प्लस F3, राइट. So these are basically force on the moving charge. First is the magnetic field, magnetic field and electrical current, and the charge experience these forces, right? Magnetic force on moving charge express for the force on a moving charges, since F equal to ILB sin theta. And so in which case we generally we calculate of FQV sin theta, right? Where V is the speed of moving charges and theta is the angle between the vector B and V. Here, in case force and current dependent of the in coordinate systems, right? Suppose this is the coordinate system, this is the z, this is the y, and this is the x. In between, we exerted a force angle between of theta. So this angle is between the sine theta, right? In force exerted, different. This is the F. In between, current flow as a conductor. This is the conductor positives. Flow of I, right? So since F equal to ILV sine theta, L equal to Q upon del T, F equal to Q upon del T, L be sine theta, right? F equal to Q L upon del theta sine B sine theta, F equal to Q B B sine theta. This is the force on a moving charges in magnetic field. So direction is given by the RH-Palm rules. Need to reverse direction of thumb for a negative charges. Size of, since F equal to QVV sin theta, QVB were at 90 angle to the B. This is the magnetic field. Direction of F is perpendicular and into the plane of pages. So NB, this is the, and the force on positive charges would be particular and out of the plane of the pages. So this is the magnetic force B and B, and this is the V, right? Be negative and positives, right? So in which case direction is given by the RH-Palm rule. Need to reverse directions of the thumb, right? This is the reverse direction of thumbs for the negative charges. Okay. So F is the perpendicular into the plane of the pages. Direction of the force. Magnetic force remain at 90 angle to both V and B. To do this, them must changes direction continuous. So here this is the positive and this is the negative charges. We force apply F in potential with respect to cross, so be the direction into the plane of the pages. This is the cross, so is the B is the direction directed into the plane of the pages. So charge undergoes circular motion, changing velocity without changing speed. Not work done on charges and kinetic energy remain constant, right? So here in which case generally this is the cross, so B is the into the plane of the pages. So magnetic force remain between the 90 angle in both of the V to B. So factor which affect the magnetic of the forces, F equal to QB sin theta, right? F maximum occurs then when sin theta equal to 90. F equal to 0 occurs when sin theta equal to 0. This is generally a factor of the force on a moving charges, right? The example of moving on a force charges, an electrons moving with the speed v equal to 2.00 into 10 to the power 6 meter second minus 1 enter a uniform magnetic field of strength B equal to 4.50 T at an angle of theta equal to 40 to the field as shown in the diagram. So calculate of the magnitude of the force on the electrons. Second, the direction of the force on the electrons. C, what would be the force on an electrons moving left to right in this field. Or D, what would be the force on an electrons moving down the page as it enter these fields. So this is the force in the moving charge is F. And angle between of theta equal to 14, right? So calculate the value of magnetic of the force on the vector, in which case force between and direction of the force on the electrons. What would be force on electrons moving left to right in this field, right? This is the positive to negative, right? So here V equal to 2.0 into 10 minus 6 meter per second, and B equal to 4.50 T, and theta equal to 40. Okay. Again, first, the magnitude of the force on the electrons. The formula of force on moving charge is F equal to QVV sin theta, right? The Q value equal to 1.6 into 10 to the power 19. So we put this value Q, V 2.10 into 10 to the power 6, and B 4.50 into sin theta between 14, right? So we calculate of value this formula F equal to QVV sin theta, तो equal to कितना हो गया? V equal to 2.10 to the power 6 and B 4.50 or sin theta 14. So 9.26 into 10 to the power minus 13 and newtons. Force will be unit of Newton, right? So this is the value of magnitude of the force on an electrons, right? Next, B, the direction of the force on the electrons. The force is directed out of the page's right hand rules. ठीक है. Last, third, C, what would be the force on electrons moving left to right in this field? Okay, so F equal to 0n, as electrons is moving parallel to magnetic field, since sin 0 is equal to 0, right? So here, in which case what would be the force on an electrons moving down the page as it enters this field? F equal to QVV sin 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 9 into 10 to the power 12/6 into 4.50. So we force calculate of 1.44 into 10 to the power minus 12 newtons. This is the right to left. Okay. In which case we will value of the in moving parallel to parallel field magnetic field sin 0 equal to 0. So F equal to 0 as electrons is moving parallel to magnetic field, sin 0 equal to 0. Okay. Thank you watching this video.